Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI Power, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap Allow. Click at the Home button and choose iOS Launcher, then pick Always. Lastly, click OK and got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!